Hello you guys, it's Nava. Welcome back to my channel. So I have been completely sick with the flu for the past 2 days, but I wanted to jump on the camera just to drop this week's mini-series video. So most of you guys have probably caught on already, but if you guys haven't, I teamed up with Boohoo to bring you guys a DIY no-sew mini-series where we upcycle and transform a bunch of different clothes. So thank you to Boohoo for sponsoring this video. Today's video is going to be a really easy and super extremely quick clothing hack that you guys could do to your tops and your dresses. As always, any items featured in this video will be linked down at the bottom for you guys, and you guys can use my code NAVAROSE for money off your order. We only have a few more videos left, so I hope you guys have been enjoying this series, and without further ado, also because I can't really talk, here's this week's DIY no-sew video. What's up guys, it's Nava Rose and welcome to another episode of We Got Renew Upcycling. In today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how to upcycle a basic dress. So this is the basic dress we're going to work with today. Basic tee bodycon dress. I'm going to show you guys how to do a simple hack with a safety pin. So just lay your dress on your table. You could turn it inside out if you want to. We're going to work with this bottom half right here. The trick is a really big safety pin. You want to start from the very bottom and poke it through as if you're just, pinning something. And what you want to do is just stitch it up and down. As if you have a needle and thread, you're going to do the same thing with the needle of your safety pin. So you want to keep threading through until you get a pretty good amount of fabric. Make sure your needle comes back all the way to the top. Pin it through. So there you have it. Just a really simple ruched side. I'm gonna repeat the same thing to the other side. So now we're gonna do it a little different. You don't have to keep the ruching just to the side seam. You could honestly place it wherever you want on your dress. I'm gonna do something a little different and I'm going to do it right here in the center. What I'm gonna do is cut a little slit right here, right under the collar, and cut a V out. And then I'm gonna cut straight down. Now from this point to this point, I'm gonna cut this out and make a triangle cutout right under the neckline. Once you have your V cut out, you're gonna do the same thing that you did with the ruched side seam, and you're gonna do it right here in the center. I'm gonna start about 3 inches right under the armhole and do the same thing up and down until I reach the very top of the bottom of that triangle cutout. You have your ruched dress. So I hope you guys enjoyed that cute little video that Boohoo put together. Again, all items will be linked down at the bottom. And don't forget to use my promo code NAVAROSE at checkout for that discount. That's all I have for you guys today. I'm gonna go back in bed and eat more soup and just rest up so I can make more videos. This is definitely sickness season, so please take care of yourself. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!